Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to subscribe PS Plus monthly, not yearly. Okay, a lot of people are doing mistakes while trying to do their monthly subscriptions, but accidentally they are subscribing for yearly. So in order to do that right, how to check that? So you need to go to PlayStation Plus and go to sign up. Okay, here right, it's showing yearly. Okay, for deluxe, extra, essential. So in order to change that right from 1 month to 3 months or 12 months, you need to press R2 or L2. You can see this on top of right side. So press R2, you can see it's changed to 12 months. Press L2 to see third month, I mean 3 months, and see, and again type L2 for 1 month. So in this 1 month, I'm going to, you can compare also. So this 1 month, I'm going to subscribe. Okay, see, they are just, trapping you into yearly subscriptions, but I'm going to change this to skip. If you do subscribe, right, automatically yearly will be, the amount will be debited for yearly. So I'm going to give accept. So this is the credit card. Already I have added it. Okay. And then order and pay. So I need to provide a password and then continue. I think subscription is done. I got a notifications. So that's it, friends. Now I'm going to click on this continue. Purchase is completed. That's it, friends. Now I can play online matches. Basic plan or extra or deluxe. Then once subscription is done, right, you'll be able to play this online matches. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.